Good afternoon, learners. Trust you are enjoying your break. Do well to study very hard, even in the midst of this festive period. Do everything, you know, to see yourself reading. So, this afternoon, we are looking at a very important topic in mathematics known as simultaneous linear equation. So, we are going to be looking at simultaneous linear equation. Let's see the objectives, my expectation at the end of this class. At the end of the class, students should be able to find values of unknown variables that satisfy all the equations at the same time. Now, my expectation at the end of this class is that each and every one of you should be able to find the unknown variables in any given equation.
Okay, let's quickly look at methods for solving simultaneous equations. We have substitution method, we have elimination method, we have graphical method, we have matrix method. We are going to be looking at substitution and elimination method today. In our subsequent classes, we are going to be looking at the remaining two, that is graphical and matrix method. So let's move on. Okay, thank you. Let's look at substitution method. Under this method, we have three steps. The first one says solve one equation for one variable. The second one says substitute this expression into the second equation, while the third step says solve for the second variable, then substitute back to find the first variable. You can see the example on the screen where you have 2x plus y equals 10 and x minus y equals 2. So let's see this. Let's follow the steps one after the other. So the first one says we should solve one equation for one variable. So let's do that. I'm picking one of the two equations and I'm picking equation 2, which is x from equation 2 from equation 2. I'm picking equation 2, which is x minus y equals to 2. So I'm going to make s the subject here. So making s the subject will give us s equals to 2 plus y. So you can see this, and the second step says substitute this expression into the second equation. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to substitute this expression x equals to 2 plus y into equation 1. So let me substitute that. So substitute x equals to 2 plus y into equation 1. So let me show you that. So equation 1 says 2x plus y equals to 10. So if I substitute x equals to 2 plus y into equation 1, I'm going to have 2 open bracket 2 plus y, then close the bracket, plus y equals to 10. So from here, I'm going to open this bracket. If I open the bracket, I'm going to have 4 plus 2y, then plus y equals to 10. So you can see from here, I can now have 4 plus 2y plus y will give you 3y equals to 10. So from here, I have this. So I have 4y. I have 4y, 4 plus 3y equals to 10. So from here, I can simply say that 3y equals to 10 minus 4. So I have 3y equals to 10 minus 4 is 6. So therefore, y equals to 6 over 3. So y equals to 2. So I've gotten one of the two variables. So from here, I'm going to substitute y equals to 2 into equation 2. I'm going to substitute it into equation 2 so that I can have the value of my x. So by doing that, I'm going to have equation 2 says x minus y equals to 2. So if I substitute 2 for y, so I'm going to have x minus 2 equals to 2. So x now equals to 2 plus 2. So x equals to 4. So you can see this. This is what we call substitution method. Let me show you from the beginning. So from the beginning, you can see it. We have 2x plus y equals to 10. Then x minus y equals to 2, equation 1 and 2. Then from equation 1, I have x minus y equals to 2. Then you substitute x equals to 2 plus y into equation 1. So by doing that, you can see the steps. Just follow these steps so you can see it. Then look at the other side. You can see it. So the value of y here equals to 2 and the value of x here equals to 4. Okay. Thank you. Let's quickly look at elimination method. We also have 3 steps here. Step 1 says multiply or divide one or both equations to align the coefficients of one variable. Step 2 says add or subtract the equations to eliminate one variable. Then step 3 says solve for the remaining variable, then substitute to find the other variables. I am going to explain this one after the other. I'm picking the steps one after the other. So you can see from here we are using the same example we use for substitution method for this elimination method. So you can see 2x plus y equals to 10. That is equation 1. X minus y equals to 2. That is equation 2. So from here you can see that plus y and minus y, they are having same coefficients but different signs. One is carrying positive, the other one is carrying what? Negative sign. So automatically plus y and minus y will cancel each other. It's like you are having 1 naira and you are owing somebody 1 naira. If you pay your debt, you will have 0 naira left. So automatically plus y and minus y will cancel each other. So the next thing is to add the left hand side and the right hand side together. So the left hand side here we have 2x plus s will give you 3x. Then on this right hand side 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 will give you 12. So here you can easily say that x, from here, x equals to 12 all over 3. So the value of x equals to 4. So you can see here, this is very short, x equals to 4. So the next thing we are going to substitute Substitute x equal to 4 into any of the equation. I'll prefer equation 2. So into equation 2. Equation 2 says x minus y equals to 2. So if I substitute the value of x into equation 2, I'm going to have 4 minus y equals to 2. So from here, I will collect like times. Y equals to 4 minus 2. So y now equals to 2. You can see how short elimination method is. Now let me explain something here where the value of y cancel each other. Let me quickly explain it. Number one, before you can cancel x or y, any of the two variables, their coefficients must be the same. Are you getting it? The coefficient of both equation must be the same. That is, if you have 2y in the first one, you must make the second one also to have 2y before they can cancel each other, and the signs must be different. So if the signs are the same, it's either you add or you subtract. You can see that this one is very short. So let's move on.
Okay, thank you. I believe you have seen how to use substitution method and elimination method to solve simultaneous equations. So I have this assignment for you that says solve the PS of simultaneous equation 2x minus 5y equals to minus 7, 4x plus 5y equals to 1. So you have to get the values of the two variables x and y. Thank you. I'll be expecting your answers. Thank you.